I always mean to circle back and make updated recordings when things are revised. This is a song from February called It Will Abate. Are some early bloomer shining stars, nimble and self-possessed as they appear? Could you be born without any darkened inheritance? Do some bypass the lead-based stage? Decades in, I'm spinning fibers, leaving fields of gold. The wide mouth jar warms my hands between the deer trees and the prison fence. Can a call repair my corner of your web, your corner of mine? I sit minutes late, sipping coffee. I try to leave things right lovingly, but when's this a life? When is it maintenance? How could a call relieve the disconnects? How many minutes can be given to the study of what is monstrous, before it permeates the whole subconscious? How do we process our own refuse and learn where our limits at? Not to sink, indulge into sluggishness and past vision-sharpening. What's our sugar, our caffeine?